So today I'm going to do a video about a bear bag kit. For years, as I've been hiking, I've always used kind of a makeshift DIY bear bag kit to throw up in a tree to keep my food away from all the animals. Here in the South, we don't have as many bears, but typically raccoons, squirrels, and all kinds of things will try to get into your food. And so like to throw it up on a tree to keep it away from all the different animals that could get at your food. So for as long as I remember hiking, I've used an Outdoor Research dry bag. It's a little large, probably not for a bear bag kit, but it's just something I've always used because it stayed dry, and I've used it to cinch down my food, roll it up, and attach it to, believe it or not, a shin guard holder as my actual rucksack. Yes, I found this in our basement years ago, and I would take a rock, put it in a shin guard holder for a soccer player that was just laying around. I attached a small carabiner to it, and I would use this as my rucksack. This attached with very heavy paracord in the Halloween colors, I guess you could say, with a bowline attached to the sack. That's how I would essentially get what I needed to take my bear bag and keep my food away from animals. Well, after using this for many years, I decided it was probably time for an upgrade. The problem is, when you go searching around for a nice bear bag kit, what you're going to find is very expensive Dyneema, or the former Cuban fiber material, with a rucksack and Zing It line, or just normal Dyneema line that you're going to use to complete this bear bag kit. Well, this has always worked fine for me, and it was a very cheap solution, because I guess the most expensive thing was this Outdoor Research bag that I've had forever, and it was worked perfectly for me. But after a while, I searched around, and I'm always looking for these small cottage companies that have alternatives, and I want to support any cottage company that's trying to start up and do a business in backpacking. So I found this company called Hilltop Packs, and they had a bear bag kit. But when I saw the site didn't have anything loaded up on it at the time. It was simply the website, and the items were to be attached later. So I saw on, I believe, some social media platform, it may have been Instagram, I saw the owner of the company, Ben, in his post about his bear bag kit, and he said that he would be adding later. So I contacted him. He, as it's offered on his site right now, $5 off, and found a bear bag kit for $40. Well, if you look on the alternative things that you see out there, like Light AF or Z-Packs, they have a bear bag kit as well, and it's somewhere around $50 to $55 for the larger bear bag kit, somewhere between 10 to 15 liters capacity for your food, which can carry somewhere between 3, 4, even up to 7 days of food, depending on what you have. So I was able to find a bear bag kit from Hilltop Packs as an alternative, and I got it in the mail, and so I thought I would open it up. And so here it is. This is the Hilltop Packs, and you can see brand label there, Hilltop Packs. It is a 16-inch by 19-inch bag, which looks like it will carry me for all that I do. I'm just a weekend warrior backpacker for my food bag for as much as I need for 4 or 5 days at the most. It's made out of Dyneema composite fabric. It's 16 by 19 inches. It's made of the consistency of 1.343 Dyneema, so a very heavy duty Dyneema that you see. And it has various upgrades on the website. this is kind of the bottom option. However, when I ordered it, there was a lead time of 7 to 10 days, and I got a message from the owner, Ben, and he said, hey, I had somebody drop their order. Would you like the upgrade of a flat bottom to the bear bag? And I said, great, yeah, that sounds good. So he was able to get me the new option that he offers, which is an upgrade on the site that has a flat bottom to the bag itself, so that you can sit it down and it doesn't fall over like when in my outdoor research bag. I mean, it's just going to lay on the ground and I have to go through it. It's also a little translucent, so you can see what you have in there. It has a roll top style with one snap on the top, so you can roll it down. It has a nice stitching here, double stitching here, with a small carabiner to attach to the rock line. And inside here, I have the other two items to complete the bear bag kit itself. It comes with the rucksack. It comes with the small rucksack that you can use for your bear bag, and then it comes with this Dyneema line. I think you can get an upgrade for $3 to $5 of the Zingit line. You can see it on the site itself. I'll put a link in the bottom to the Hilltop Pack site. But they've already given you a bow line attached to one end there, so that you can use to attach to your bear line. But this is so much lighter than what I've been using, and I would say a lot of people use just the paracord option, this 550 paracord or 450 paracord that I've used forever. This is so much lighter, and I love the orange line so that it'll be easy to see at night. Also have added some interesting new options. You can actually have printed on the Dyneema itself, on the bear bag, and it's amazing how light this is compared to my outdoor research bag. You can have printed on the bag itself any logo that you want. I've seen some of the more popular backpacker YouTube sites have gone ahead and done their logo for their YouTube site on the bag itself. I guess there's a couple of companies that print now logos on Dyneema, but it looked very interesting. But again, with this bag, you can get upgrades of the flat bottom if you want it. Then one other upgrade that I liked, which I didn't get, but it was an interesting. Inside the bear bag itself, Hilltop offers an option of a small little pouch that's sewn inside the bear bag that you can take a large spoon or a small spoon, and so you don't have to go around searching for your spoon in your bear bag. There's a little pouch inside that you just simply slide your spoon in, and you can get it without searching for it all the time. And that was a cool option, but I either didn't see it at the time or just missed it, I guess. But I didn't get it with this bear bag, but an interesting option that they have, which is unique, that I haven't seen on any other option out there, like Light AF or Z Packs. So that's it for my review, I guess you could call it a review, of the bear bag kit from Hilltop Packs. If you're interested, go on the website and you can see Hilltop Packs and what they have to offer. And if you're looking for moving up from an older option that you may have had for years, like I did, of just a dry bag and Dyneema cord and a carabiner, this might be a good option for you. Something to think about it. So thanks for watching. I hope if you'll subscribe if you want to see more videos from this channel. I will continue to add to the channel as I have time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.